Hi and welcome to Reseller News. My name is Rich Pasini. Today is February 25th, 2021. Thank you for tuning in. I just want to start off by saying thank you to all the new subscribers who recently subscribed to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content. You come back for more. Today, I want to talk about tax time for the eBay seller. If you are thinking about selling on eBay or you are a seller on eBay, hopefully this information will be of help to you. It is for informational purposes only. I am not a CPA. I do not give tax advice out here, so I recommend the information that's posted here. That if you have any questions regarding taxes, please consult with your CPA or a tax advisor. Okay, now without further ado, we're going to go right to the source. We're going to click out of here and go directly to eBay's customer service. And we're going to talk, I got a couple other windows open up, not all of those up there, so don't be alarmed there. If this one here is eBay and Form 1099-K. It says if you're a managed payment seller, you may receive a Form 1099-K from eBay depending on your total sales and transactions. This is to help you comply with your tax obligations. Form 1099-K is an IRS information return that includes the gross amount of all payment transactions you receive within the calendar year. The purpose of this form is to help improve tax compliances. We'll provide you with the Form 1099-K form by January 31st each year if you're a managed payment seller who has received payments above the minimum IRS reporting thresholds in the previous calendar year. And then it goes on to tell you you received more than $20,000 in gross payments and you had more than 200 payment transactions. It goes on to say some states have minimum reporting thresholds lower than those outlined. Will provide managed payment sellers in the following states with the Form 1099-K by January 31st each year. If you have received the payments for above the following thresholds in the previous calendar year, and then I'll go on to list the states that have different thresholds. As you can see here, Arkansas 25, District of Columbia 600, Illinois 1,000, Maryland 600, Massachusetts 600, Mississippi 600, New Jersey 1,000, Virginia 600, and Vermont 600. Now, I'm not going to go too much into this here. I'm going to read a little into here. At the bottom part here says you could download the 1099-K form in the Seller Hub and My eBay. It will show you the payment you received since you became a managed payment seller, and it includes the gross amount of number of payment transactions, your name, address, and tax ID. This information will also be reported to the IRS and the correct sales tax authority where applicable. Okay? And then it goes on to say if there is an issue with your tax ID or personal information, contact us so we could help you update your details. Now, I'm not going to get too much into it. As you can see here, you could read more into this here. Okay, like I said again earlier, this video is for informational purposes only pertaining to taxes for this upcoming year. Okay, and it goes on to say here for Form 1099-K and multiple eBay accounts. For those who have multiple accounts, this will pertain to you. What's included in the Form 1099-K? You could read that at your leisure. 1099-K detailed report. And then it gives you instructions on how to, here's how to download your K99 detailed report in the Seller Hub. It gives you instructions on how to do that there. And of course, you got the top takeaway. And if the article was helpful, and it says over here, you need more help, you could have them call you. 23-minute wait time, of course. By the time you see this video, it might be the more or less. All right, so that's that one part there. And again, folks, this information came from eBay customer service. Okay, this is not my website, it came from them. Okay, on this next window from eBay customer service, this is the tax policy, and it goes on to say sellers must follow all tax regulations that apply to eBay sales. Our policy helps provide a guidance on tax as eBay can't give tax advice. Sellers should contact the appropriate tax authority for more information about their tax obligations. And then it goes on to say here, what is the policy? Sellers are responsible for paying taxes associated using eBay in accordance with applicable laws. Income tax, tax on eBay fees, tax on items bought and sold on eBay. Then it goes on to say, please note, eBay will share your information with government authorities if required to do so by law. Okay? And then it goes a little, to say a little more here. It says activity that doesn't follow eBay policy could result in a range of action, including example administratively ending or canceling listings, hiding or demoting all listings from search results, lowering seller rating, buying or seller restrictions of and account suspensions. All fees paid or payable in relation to the listings of the accounts on which we will take action will not be refunded or otherwise credited to your account. Right? Yeah, did I read that right? Yeah. Okay. So I'll make sure it will not be refunded. Okay. Okay. All right. And then it goes on to say, why does eBay have this policy? And again, you could read more into this here. And the last one I want to share with you guys is this one right over here. This one here is updated for tax year 2020. It's a tax filing fact sheet for eBay sellers. Okay. Now, if you want to check out this one here, that one is from the eBay community. This one here is from TurboTax. So let me give the URL in case you want to check it out for yourself. It says the URL is https://TurboTax, one word, .intuit.com. Okay. If you can't find it, remember this title. Just do a Google search and just type in a tax filing fact sheet for eBay sellers, and it'll bring you to this one. The one you're looking for is a TurboTax. This is pretty good here. It goes on to say here, you can find almost anything for sale on eBay, of course, for a piece of fine art to clippings, Justin Bieber's hair, and so forth. I'm not going to get into all of reading there, but it goes on to say, note to all eBay sales are subject to income tax. All right. Then it goes on to say, not every eBay sale is subject to income tax, but most are. If you use the site to get rid of household articles you've used in the past, you may qualify for occasional garage or yard sale treatment. According to the IRS, if your online auction sales are the internet equivalent of an occasional garage or yard sales, you generally don't have to report the income for those sales. Now, again, this is coming from that website, not mine. I'm just putting this information out there. That's why I said it's very important, and even eBay says it too, to check with your tax authoritative person or somebody who deals with taxes, because you want to be on the up and up when it comes to this here. Okay. It goes on to say, assuming that you originally bought used items for more money that you're selling them for, you don't have to report the income received from an eBay sale. For example, if you sell a bicycle that you paid $500 for 2 years ago for $350 on eBay, you usually don't have to notify the IRS, but you can't claim it as a loss on it either, right? You can't claim loss on it. All right. Here's another one that says hobby sales must be reported. If you and the IRS clarify your eBay sales as a hobby, you'll have to report the income form on a 1040. Okay. For the tax year of this, again, remember this is for it's older date. It's for the tax year prior to 2018. You report the expenses and itemized deductions on a Schedule A beginning 2018. You're no longer eligible to take the deductions for hobby expenses. Now it gets a little more in here. You could read into this here. That's why I gave the URL. Like I said, I want to keep this video short as possible here. Check it out. I could scroll to the bottom, but I always say in my videos, it's always best to go directly to the website because they have active hyperlinks in there, and you might want to read more into it. For example, let's look at this one over here. It's an active hyperlink. Anything in blue lettering on this particular website here is in blue lettering. These are active hyperlinks. And not to be funny, but if you ever want to know if something is an active hyperlink, when the mouse cursor arrow turns into a hand, that's an active hyperlink for those who don't know. I'm just throwing it out there. So let's look at this one here. Between a hobby, it says over here, distinguishing between a hobby and a business. So when you click this on, it's going to, of course, hyperlink you to another page. And again, it's with TurboTax. And then you could read more into it. That's what I'm trying to say. You could become more, I call it that, more informed by going to these different websites rather than just reading the one page. It's always good to, that's why I said it's definitely good to go directly to the website itself for this reason, okay? And you can read more into it, okay? Let's see what else I got here on this page here. Just want to see something here. Tax tips for sole proprietors. You have video IRS rules for reasonable business expense. I'm looking at the blue part over here, folks. Self-employment tax, reporting self-employment information. Yeah, okay. They got quite a bit here. A lot of information here, okay? Tax case calc. Okay. Yeah, so check that out. Let's go back again over here. And again, like I said, they have a lot of good information on here. I'll scroll down to the bottom in case you don't want to, but that's basically it. You can watch the video, but you could always pause it. But again, if you want to get a a little more information, you need to go directly to the website. Okay, I'm looking over here really quick. It says if you're still unsure if something's deductible, check out the comprehensive list. Let's read this. Let's look at this really quick here. I'm curious to see this. Okay, tax business deductions. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, look, check this out, folks. What kind of deductions can I take as a small business? Yeah. Automobiles, bad debts. Yeah, common small business deductions include the cost for automobiles, bad debts, depreciation, employment compensation. Okay. It's good to know, right? It's good to know. All right. Let's see what else they got here. All right. Keep records, bad debts, and so on and so forth. There's quite a bit to read here. Depreciation. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to tell you, folks. You definitely got to go directly to the website. Good website, by the way, too. Okay. And again, if you can't find it, if you can't find this particular one, just that's the title you're looking for. Just do a Google search, a tax filing fact sheet for eBay sellers. Okay. This is something TurboTax put out, and it may be of help to you. You know, I think it's helped me out as far as like informational wise. So I hope you guys get the same takeaway from it. All right. I'm going to close this video out, folks. I hope this information helped. If it did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. My name is Rich Pasini. You're watching Let's Talk eBay for February 25th, 2021. Thank you again. And as I always say in all my closing videos, if you are thinking about selling on eBay or you are a seller on eBay, I'm wishing you guys all the best in sales. Until next time, bye-bye for now.